How to create and verify Alipay accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Alipay application from your device. Now at this page, tap on to sign up on your bottom left corner. Then enter your phone number, then tap on sign up now. As you tap on sign up now, tap on to agree. And under here, they will send you a code at the phone number that you entered. Enter your code here, then tap on to next. Now once you do so, you will create yourself a Alipay account, then tap onto me section on your bottom right. Under this page, tap onto the settings icon on your top right. From here, tap on account and security. Then you will see identity information. Tap onto it. Then tap on to verify now. Under here, simply type in the full name on passport, then type in your passport number, your date of birth, and your passport expiration date. Once you do all that, tap on to submit. Just like so, this is how you can create and verify your Alipay account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.